सो गाइस, आज का एडिटोरियल हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। आज है 26 जुलाई 2024। द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़पेपर है हमारे पास। इसका एडिटोरियल हम आज पढ़ेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं स्ट्रेन फ्रेंडशिप से। स्ट्रेन फ्रेंडशिप। Netanyahu address to U.S. Congress, oppositions to it underlined, fraying biparty support for his war in the country. Benjamin Netanyahu, fourth address to the U.S. Congress, he has now surpassed Winston Churchill in this regard, was marked by disappointing and advision in the run-up to the speeches. Families of Israeli hostages told U.S. media that they hoped their prime minister would announce a deal to end the violence and return captive हमें नहीं पता है, तो हम यहाँ पे सर्च कर सकते हैं उसका वर्ड का मीनिंग। प्रिजनर, return the prisoner. He did not, rather to the disappointment of those hoping for an end to the war. The Netanyahu reiterated that Israel was striving for the total victory and asked the US for the more aid and arm. And while he might make hurt of the applause at the end of his speech, there is a little doubt that America's political class has never been more divided on its near unconditional support for Israel. This was a moment for Netanyahu to raise to statesmanship for peace as well as for his country's interest. He did not set up to it. The fact is that apart from the of the racking up the growing document, racking racking up a growing body count, at least 39,000 Palestinians. Most of the civilians have been killed since Israel began its relations against the Hamas October 7. The conflict had done little more than the then allow the PM to stay on in power. Hamas will reportedly hold 150 hostages. Israel faces increasing diplomatic isolation, and International Criminal Court has admitted a case of genocide against Israel. National interest, if not humanitarian concern, demand that the Israeli government works urgently toward a ceasefire and builds bridges. Instead, the Netanyahu attacked those who disagree with his course of action. He said the protested, many of whom were the demonstrate against his actions and presence in the house. They stand with rapists and the murderer, and at the cities of Israel are Iran useful idiots. Ironically, his abuse is directed at many of the leaders he is seeking to woo. Nearly half of the Democratic Party legislators have been some Republican, including the former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, boycotted the speech of others like Majority Leader Chuck Schumer refused to shake his hand. With the presidential election fast approaching, the consensus on supporting Israel, both between parties and within the ruling establishment, is likely to fray further. Netanyahu praised both President Joe Biden and his predecessor Donald Trump in his address, calling the lateral and Irish American Zionist. However, he has constantly violated the red line drawn by the White House with the attack on Rafah. For example, the Democrats are paying a political price for the government support for Israel, with many protesters, including including university students of the urban liberals, being part of the party base. In fact, at the Democratic primary in the Michigan in February, 1 lakh uncontested ballots were cast to register disappointment with the Biden backing of Israel. At the Kamala Harris, the presumptive Democratic nominee, chose not to attend the Netanyahu address, citing a prior commitment speak volumes. Netanyahu is said to meet both Trump and Biden during his visit. It's time to stop demanding unconditional support. What is needed is a promise to end the violence and immediate announcement of the ceasefire. So इसमें यही है। बेंजामिन नेतन्याहू ने फ़लस्तीन पे बहुत गंदा वाला हमला किया है जिसमें 39,000 से ज़्यादा लोग मर चुके हैं, वो भी सिविलियंस, फ़लस्तीन के सिविलियंस। अगर इस पर्सपेक्टिव से देखा जाए तो नेतन्याहू स्टार्ट तो फ़लस्तीनी ने किया था, लेकिन हमें उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है, अभी हमें सिर्फ पढ़ना है। बहुत सारे लोगों की जान जा रही है यहाँ पे। कमला एंड अमेरिकन स्टोरी। Seeing Harris through the Indian and American lens does a political desire to her presidential run. How we see our bodies. Olympic dreams. So guys, हम लोग ने ये अभी पढ़ा स्टैंड फ्रेंडशिप, अभी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ओलंपिक ड्रीम्स। पेरिस शो के क्लाइमेट चेंज कॉन्शियस ओलंपिक्स इंडिया इज targeting a double digital hall. With India contemplating hostage with the Olympic, the Paris Game will offer a good indicator of where its preparedness stands. Going past the 7 medals won at the Tokyo in 2021 will be the immediate goal. A double-digit haul will be considered a commensurate return for the spending over the last 3 years. That was on a par with some of the developed sporting nation. Even as Paris tweak the aesthetic of how climate change the conscious Olympic look like. India has attempted to prop up and broad base its medal print and will look to first retain and then go beyond. The success is athletic, hockey, badminton, wrestling, weightlifting, and boxing, and hope for new wave of the medalists to come through at Paris. India's talent athlete up at Paris can make the first piece to impress those judging the countries credentials to play host in the Paris. It will target double digit like Brazil did in the 10 in 2004 when it bid to host 12 years later. At the outest, India will be aware of the sports where it has been slid back in the since Tokyo. The women hockey team that finished the fourth in Japan has failed to even the qualify its time lifter. Mirabai Chanu remains the sole contender in her sports with no second rung in sight and not a single male qualifying. Gymnastic has no representations at all this time, with no one sprinting down the footstep of Deepa Karmakar on Pranati Nayak and Bhavni Devi. Bhavni Devi legacy on fencing has no higher. Their swimming and the participants are down from their 3 to 2, male boxers down from the 5 or 2, and male wrestler from 3 to 1. However, where India can hope to make some gains is in shooting. We are an eye-popping 21 have qualified, and at least one will be expected to convert those states into the finals not medals after two medal-less Olympic table tennis is a rank outsider, but the women team will aim at making the splash, especially after the median bronze at Acid. One of the more heartwarming stories could be of the potential trier archer Deepika Kumari, a new mother focused on making her fourth attempt count. Perhaps the greatest success will be of the woman wrestler who showed the immense persistence to seek qualification after fighting an important battle at home. If the unstoppable Vinesh Phogat and the rest of the pack, comprising Antim Pangal, Ansu Malik, and heavyweight Ritika, apart from Neeraj Chopra, can bring its multiple medal, India would have made the strongest speech yet in the stalking claim at host the Olympic. थर्ड हम पढ़ेंगे डिस्कनेक्टेड टू लिव लॉन्गर मेक फ्रेंड्स अ टफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस टू फॉलो द एपिडेमिक ऑफ लोनलीनेस, ये बाद में पढ़ेंगे। पहले हम पढ़ेंगे हाउस योर बॉडी इज कमला एंड अमेरिका, ये पढ़ेंगे हम कमला एंड अमेरिकन स्टोरी। सीइंग हैरिस थ्रू द इंडियाज ऑफ American less does a political deserve to the presidential run. A week this year, the long time in the politics in the last 2 weeks, America has seen the assassinations attempt to a former president Donald Trump, the forced abdications. Oh shit! ये क्या हो गया भैया? एडिटोरियल यहाँ है ना, ये रहा। ये वाला पढ़ रहे थे हम। Abdication of the sitting President Joe Biden and the rapid acclamation of Vice President Kamala Harris as the Democrat Party of the presidential nominee। एक मिनट भैया, ये क्या हो गया यार, इतना बड़ा नहीं था। Together the three development, कहाँ थे हम? Donald Trump, the forced abdication of the sitting the President Joe Biden and the rapid acclamation of Vice President Kamala Harris as the Democratic Party presidential nominee. Together, the three developments have injected the new life into the U.S. election scheduled for November and turned the race into a close battle and a sharp contest of political ideas. Last week seems to have a boring battle between two old white men, Trump and Biden, in a repeated 2020 contest. This week has raised the hope for the first ever woman US president. Kamala Harris also happens to have the both African and Asian lineage. Her mother Syamla Gopalan had migrated to from Tamil Nadu to US for the higher studies in California. There she married a fellow student from the Jamaica, Donald Jasper Harris. Kamala was brought up by her mother in the California after her parents separated. Harris' Indian root will occupy our discourse on the U.S. election in the next few weeks. Dad will the pity to say that about the politics policies India should get the use in the growing diaspora, especially in the English-speaking world occupying the high disposition and the homeland. Whether the Harris like the idlers for the breakfast may be not worthy, but it's a little consequences explaining her political trajectory, understanding the Harris and other emerging Indian origin leaders should be more about the critical appreciation of the political Western society they are flourishing in and making the significant difference to. The raise in Harris may something about the Indian diaspora in the America, but the current position at the top of the U.S. political hype is a quintessential American story of migrants rising to the pinnacle within a generation. In her intellectual upbringing, Harris is as African American as Indian American. Growing up in her the mother activist circle in the 1960s, Harris spent much time in a black community center in Berkeley. Unlike a lot of Indian Americans kids, she did not knock at the door of the Harvard and the other League League colleges, but went to Howard University and celebrated Black University in Washington D.C. At the Howard, Harris became the member of the Alpha Kappa Alpha oldest American black sorority. Earlier this week, she skipped the cheering a speech by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in the U.S. Congress to fulfill a prior commitment. The address another black Sorio, sorority, Zeta Phi Beta. Both Alpha Kappa Alpha and Zeta Phi Beta are the part of a historically influential Black Diamond 9 sororities of the and fraternities. Seeing Harris through the Indian or African American lens does a political deserve to his presidential run. Her adversaries are doing precisely that, defining her as a product of the identity politics on the left, and that she is a DEI candidate representing the liberal penchant for the diversity, equity, and inclusion, irrespective of the right being caricature Harris in the new great hope for the Democrats by offering an entirely unexpected change for success in election that they had given up for their lost interval just 2 weeks ago. More broadly, Harris represents the powerful liberal politic trends in the U.S. with a reasonable change. U.S. at the critical junction, her victory. Where is it? Harris represents the powerful liberal political trends in the U.S. with reasonable chance to lead the U.S. in a critical juncture. Her victory over Trump is possible and could be consequential for the U.S. and the world. But first, a quick recap for our three A's. The assassin's bullet that went through Trump's ear 2 weeks ago enhanced his chance of regaining the presidency. Earlier, he was seen as besting a fading Biden of the presidential debate, although they appeared incoherent at the debate and unsteady in his appearance. In 81-year-old Biden refused to step aside. Only the God Almighty, Biden incited, can persuade him to withdraw from the contest. As the pressure from the party mounted over the last week, Biden announced his abdication from on Sunday and endorsed Harris. Biden's support and did not necessarily mean Harris would automatically be the presidential candidate of the party, but the elder of the party moved quickly and decisively to short circuit and the procedure of the elections to a new nominee and avoid the debilitating intention war in the party barely 3 months before the polls set for the November 5. गला सूख गया यार. Republican are of course excoriating the Democrats for the engineering a coup against Biden and making Harris the new nominee in the undemocratic coronations. Question about the legitimacy of her nominations have been blown apart by the Harris' very impressive performance at the first two rallies she has held this week. With her vigorous articulation and the bold assertion of the liberal political agenda, including the women's rights and abortion, Harris has brought new energy and enthusiasm to Democratic Party's campaigns as the challenges Trump with political aplomb. Her supporters are describing the election as a contest between a prosecutor and criminal. Harris' relative youth, 59, to Trump, 78, has turned at the ageist argument and against the former president. If the young supporters of Democrats Party were beginning to tune out of a battle led by Biden, they are now relying up behind Harris. the the liberal establishment that the view of the potential stunts of Trump with the great concern and the deep distaste is going all out to boost Harris the candidature. Harris presidential campaign has had a greatest start this week, but the political honeymoon will not last forever as the challenges begin. Now she will have a tough time if the Trump succeed in the defining her as a radical left tonic, left lunatic, and the California socialist who will in the American dream. Will her liberal record will active the base of the Democratic Party? Some of her positions, especially on the border control and immigration, couple of could put off many voters in the bilateral heartland. Like all left liberals, Harris will also have a challenge in the winning over the socially conservative working class in the battleground state of the American Rust Belt and the Midwest. And the big questions and whether Kamala Harris can move closer to the center of the American political and spectrum and prevent the Trump from the transitioning is her the crazy San Francisco liberal. How we see our bodies, increasing the obsession with the weights loss talk is the depending on the global obesity. A blockbuster miracle and the breakthrough, the nothing and the hyperbola is being used to talk about the new class of weight loss and diabetes drug as they come with the promises and the ending the obesity is the epidemic across the nations at the moment. An injectable pens the pen is the pen is manna from the heaven. The considering it like an lower our body with a weight without the slightest sweet and the protect us from the diabetes and the uh, di- heart disease. The two silent killer, however, the problem with the big sweep and the world miracles is that the glorifies the projection of wishful thinking and ignores some disturbing fact. The real problem is that these drugs have become the aspirational luxury that feed the myth of their invincible invincibility as the fat killers. Nobody look at the preventive and long drawn road of the diet exercise anymore. This because the research shows that this drug known as known as GLP-1 receptor agonists agonists which stimulate the body of produce more insulin and curb hunger resulted in the weight loss between 15 to 20%. This may even go to 24% with the aversion, upgraded version by the next year, almost equivalent to a bariatric surgery. There has been more research on the benefits than side effect for a favorable cost benefit analysis. Although reports have linked as a result to lowering the blood pressure, cholesterol, and even kidney disease, it is still unclear whether these benefits are from the drugs or weight loss, despite the negligible risk projection. There is too much anecdotal evidence of the how some users have not been able to continue with these drugs, suffering from the several nuisance, vomiting, stomach paralysis, and the depression. Besides, side effect may be take of the decade to seen as the area of the concern or not. Evidence has already shown that these drugs may trigger the thyroid cancer and pancreatitis pancreatitis in those with the genetics history. More seriously, however, the sales pitch of the changing one's conscious to address the diabetes primary and weight loss secondly, a calories restriction of the emphasis now is more on the weight loss. The conversation has shifted from the Danish drug manufacturer Novo Nordisk primary diabetes drug offensive or Ozempic in the primary diabetes reducing the Saxenda and the Wegovy. US maker Eli Lilly Zepbound has been approved by the FDA and the chronic weight management in the adults which with or without diabetes and is stopping prescriptions while a weight loss economic flourishes with the both Novo Nordisk Bloomberg has put its market capitalization of over 570 billion dollar as the bigger than the Danish economy and Alili and the Alili finding is tough to overcome the supply shortage and the demand continue to feed on the weight makes what makes us the most vulnerable as social label and the anxiety and death sent drug prices upbringing fueling and the grey market with the unscrupulous seller and the uniformed Bayer, yet most credible endocrinologists just say such drugs are not a magic bullet that while कुछ लोग तो अभी तक छोड़ के चले भी गए होंगे यार. वीडियो प्लीज़ पूरा देख लेना. They may get you off the weight of the cliff. Initially, your body hits the plateau without the more difficult diet and exercise discipline. Beside, can this expensive injection be taken lifelong? Then that's not known. Yet the most disturbing, the last new drug equate thinness as the only guarantor of the food health at the time when we are trying to resort diet and lifestyle discipline from our early for the holistic health. But the larger issue is now all this has made us more obsessive and myopic about how we see our bodies. We see if we if we thought this would put an end to fat shaming and a body and dysmorphia. The drug only sets a new qualifying benchmark of fat-free world wherever you have to afford to the slender, smart, and nomenclature of the anti-obesity drug makes the fantasy fatness seem like a bug that can be exterminated at will and distorted our prescription of how we become fat in the first place. Hormonal imbalance is the underlying conditions, eating disorders, stress, and mental health issue. A drug just flatliness these complex trigger as non-entities in the any discussion of obesity. Fact is it can't weight loss and the gain depending on the how on the agency and the motivations can to commit the balancing your own life rather than the resorting artificial means unobtrusive such drugs which are undoubtedly a panic for those with the morbid obesity are also creating a flawed measure with the health. So हमारा ये एडिटोरियल था आज का और आज डेट है 26/24 फ्राइडे आज. सो अगर